Troll vessels, or trollers, use lines and lures to catch fish. Trollers are used to harvest salmon, tuna, and to a lesser degree lingcod and halibut. They typically operate from spring to late fall. However, given the diversity of the fish they catch, trollers can work almost year-round. Trolling vessels are typically 11 to 16 meters in length. Salmon trollers fish with multiple wire lines. A typical troller will fish with 6 wire lines and may have over 100 hooks in the water at a time. Each wire line is wrapped on a small hydraulically powered winch called a gurdy. A set of 3 gurdies is mounted on each side of the vessel at the stern. Just above the gurdies is a davit, usually made of aluminum, where pulleys hang. On the end of a line is a cannonball, sometimes weighing in excess of 20 to 70 pounds. As the line is lowered in the water, lures attached to leaders are connected to the wire. The lines are spread to avoid the hooks from tangling. To do this, trolling poles are lowered at the side of the vessel. The lines on each side are diverted away by using an attachment on the trolling pole. Another way to spread a set of lines is by using pigs. Pigs float the line off the stern of the vessel. This helps the line to avoid becoming tangled with others that are set out. As the fish are hooked, the lines are winched in on the gurdy. The fish are landed with a gaff, net, or if the fish aren't able to be retained, a quick flip of the wrist releases the fish unharmed.
And away he went.
When trolling, these vessels will travel at speeds of 1 to 4 knots. Trollers typically clean their catch at sea and will either ice or freeze it. Salmon trollers are usually run by the owner-operator and may have 1 or 2 deckhands. Crew duties include working the gear, watch-keeping, cooking, freezing and storing fish, and maintaining the vessel in an orderly condition. The master is responsible for overall command and normally handles engineering duties and working the fish gear. Tuna trolling vessels operate at significant distances offshore, and vessels may have to be modified to carry additional amounts of fuel and provisions. These vessels are generally 12 to 20 meters in length and can spend 20 to 30 days at sea with each trip. However, there are a few exceptions in vessel size and fishing procedures within the fleet. Tuna trollers will have 1 to 4 deckhands, depending on the size. A vessel will have 1 or 2 tuna haulers on the stern and will fish 11 lines with 1 lure per line at one time. Fish are caught on hooks and then pulled in close to the vessel using the hauler. Tuna are removed from the sea by hand and landed on the deck.